sir. This is parcel of Visakhapatnam. This is approved layout of parcel of Visakhapatnam in 1200 SFT 40 into 30. Floor marking is also done as same as in the layout, in the physically done in the workplace. This is the area of bag receipt and dispatch area. Bag receipt and dispatch area. This is the system for doing bag receipt scan. This is the docking area. Bags, parcel bags are being received here in the roller containers. Bag receipt scan will be done here, and after completion of the receipt scan, the bags are being loaded into the roller containers. The roller container again moved to bag opening table. Here bag opening and article receipt scan will be done in the system. This is bag opening table. After completion of the opening of the bag, based on the direct sort destinations and mixed sort destinations and large parcels and RTS articles will be sorted out in 3 different package trolleys. From here, return to sender and large parcels will be moved to data admin and large parcels processing area. Here return to sender parcels and large parcels will be articles will be closed and closed here. These package trolleys, after completion of the preliminary sorting, the package trolleys will be moved to direct sort destinations. Here in the bag stands, mixed sort destinations will be sorted out in the sorting cases. This is the system for closing of parcels, direct sort destination parcels and mixed sort destinations. This is one system, and that is then also used for closing of parcels. After completion of the closing of parcels, the bags will be staged here. Post sort staging. This is post sort and pre sort staging area. Here the name indicates common staging area. Floor marking is also done here in the parcel hub. This is the room, server room and CCTV footage room for security purpose. Here we can see the cameras capturing pictures in the screen. Thank you for watching.